here in Brooklyn, New York at the launch event for the Mavic 2 series of drones, our two newest consumer drones. Mavic Pro has a 1-inch Hasselblad sensor. Mavic Zoom has the first consumer drone with 2x optical zoom plus 2x digital zoom for 4x lossless zoom at 1080p resolution. They've also got some great new intelligent features with things like hyperlapse, a new quick shot called dolly zoom, and an improved active track feature that really maps your environment in 3D and helps that drone stay locked on that subject even if it goes behind an obstacle, for example. Some more core improvements, we put new side sensors on the drone as well, so in modes like active track and tripod mode, the drone almost has omnidirectional obstacle sensing and avoidance. Also important, up to 31 minutes of flight time, and it's got the same low noise motors and propellers that you see on the original Mavic Pro Platinum and Phantom 4 2.0 versions. Okay, so it also features the ability to get your photos and videos directly onto your mobile device in 1080p resolution, which is a great feature if you want to share something immediately. It also features our Geo system, which really helps give you location-based notifications about areas where it's safe or not safe to fly, around areas like airports or temporary restrictions around wildfires. Mavic 2 also has 8 gigabytes of onboard storage, so you don't ever have to worry about forgetting your SD card at home. And it also has a removable microSD card slot, so you can have up to 128 gigabytes of onboard storage with a microSD. So the Mavic 2 series is our most advanced consumer drone to date. It's available now. Mavic Pro Zoom retails for $1,249, Mavic Pro for $1,449. Again, you can buy them on DJI.com or through any DJI authorized reseller worldwide.